Welcome back. So in the last video I told you about how there are no confirmations about upcoming sneakers yet because of major delays in shipments to India. Now since I used to make this video on a monthly basis and the last time I made was about 3 months ago, it was time I did another one. Although this time around it's more like a compilation of expected sneakers rather than confirmed releases. I thought it's better to have some idea instead of having no clue at all about what's coming. Obviously, this also means that my scheduled unboxing video is pushed back again to next week. I think this is getting too messed up as a lot of videos are just getting delayed due to immediate need of certain other videos. So what do you guys think about 2 videos a week instead of the usual once a week schedule? By this, we can also start doing more unboxings and reviews of maybe affordable and easy to purchase sneakers that keep dropping in India. So what I want you guys to do is comment below and tell me if I should start putting out 2 videos every week, and also which day of the week would you like to watch this. I'm thinking more like Mondays, as it would be great along with the usual Thursdays, so do let me know your thoughts. Now, coming back to today's video, few things to keep in mind before we go ahead. All the sneakers I mentioned are only what I'm expecting to come to India. They are not confirmed yet. If they do come, they will be available on the respective brands' websites along with Super Kicks and or Veg Non-Veg. Now, retail prices of each will be similar to what they have been in the past for each silhouette. And lastly, I will also tell you if each one of them is a cop or a drop for either personal or reselling purposes. Now, let's get started. Asics Sean Wotherspoon. This is crazy. I can't believe the amount of queries I am getting for these kicks. It's like everyone wants it. However, I believe that is only because people are expecting some crazy profits on these and not really wanting them for personals. So these are set to drop globally on 27th of June, and yes, they are coming to India, but like I said, will most probably be delayed by a week or 2. Not just that, they are also going to be extremely limited in numbers and probably will be as difficult to cop as was the recent Royal Toe release. I think they look really cool with all the colors and attachments they come with. Definitely a cop for personals as well as reselling, since you can expect them to sell for at least 3 to 4 times of retail. Yeezys. As usual, there are a ton of Yeezys slated to release, so let's start with 350 V2s. We will see the Zion, Israfil and the Zebra restock. Yes, yet another restock. So the Zebras are set to restock for Asia, so there is a very high chance of India getting it as well. No need to say anything about them as they are one of the best 350 V2s to have ever come out, and there are a lot of first timers who will be waiting for this. Definitely a cop for personals as they do not stay as good looking forever, so you need to get yourself another pair. And about reselling, it is going to be decent and will not affect the current resale prices much given the very high demand. So you can cop it and flip it immediately for a decent return, like I explained in my how to make money reselling sneakers video. Now, Zion and Israfil. Please don't hold me to that. Maybe I am pronouncing this so-called Israfil in a wrong way. I am not very sure. Either ways, both of them look nice and is definitely a cop if you are looking to grab another pair on retail. It won't be complete madness and you will have a few minutes to grab them. As with every other 350, this too is good only to flip immediately for whatever returns you can get. Next, we might see the 380 Blue Oats drop here in the non-reflective version. For most, they look terrible, but I am kind of neutral and don't really think it's as bad. This means it might be a easy cop on retail, but might be difficult to resell given the low demand, so buy them to wear them only. Now lastly, Yeezy Quantum and 700 MNVN are set to drop globally in the barium and bone colorways respectively. Now by the time you are watching this video, barium would have already released, but nevertheless, since everything is delayed for India, it doesn't really matter. So no news about them coming to India, but I do believe there is a chance of the Quantums coming here as these are a much wider release like in the case of Alvas. If they do drop, I am not a fan. I think it looks crap and hence it's definitely a drop for personals. However, people kind of like them and it will also be the first Quantum to come to India. Hence, it will have a good demand, maybe, I am not very sure, and an above decent resale for short period of time. So it's a cop for resale. MNVN on the other hand has already seen a drop in 3 colorways before and did not make it to India unfortunately. So chances are it won't this time around as well. They are trash anyways, so either ways it's a drop. Now, before we get into Jordans, let me first clear your doubts about the Air Diors. From what I've heard, a lot of guys were able to pre-book them at Indian Dior stores back in December. Yes, they were supposed to be sold that way before things changed. By the way, I could not and missed on the opportunity. But now, what we are hearing is that all of the pairs will be raffled off via Dior's website and will then be available for pickup in store for selected people and not via online shipping. So most probably all the pre-orders done in India will stand cancelled. However, it is still not clear whether we will be able to take part in the raffle from India. Either ways, there are a total of 8,500 pairs in highs and lows each, which is not less, but the demand for these are extremely high. So I am expecting the resale to settle at anything between $4,000 to $5,000 for the lows and $7,000 to $10,000 for the highs. Obviously, after the initial hype is what I am talking about. Needless to say, it's a cop for whatever reason, doesn't matter. I have made up my mind to go for the lows as I am more into low top sneakers of late, and I believe the lows look way better when it comes to Dior's at least. Hopefully, we will soon unbox them on this channel. Moving on. So Jordan 1 smoke grey or light grey and neutral grey. Now both of these are set to drop in July and in good quantities, so I do expect them to come here. It may come a month late, but I think they will. Both of these are like a poor man's version of the Union LA and the Air Diors, and hence are seeing a wider release so more people can buy them. They are a cop for personals for sure. When it comes to reselling, it's total madness right now as every single Jordan 1 is going up and up in a matter of months. Obviously, will be very limited in India like the Royal Toes, so you might have to fight for them. Next, since we saw the Animal Pack Jordan 3s as a surprise drop recently on Veg Non Veg, I feel we might similarly get the Jordan 3 Varsity Royal and the Laser Orange. For now, these may not look as exciting, although I like the Laser Orange quite a bit, but the hype around Jordan 3s is coming back slow and steady. I think the silhouette overall looks really nice and I cannot wait for the Travis Scott versions to drop much later. For now, I'd say top for personals and drop for reselling. Next, Jordan 5 Alternate Grape. These I feel are definitely coming here and I love them. Resale might be decent because of the purple colorway, so it's a cop for all the reasons. However, I will advise you to get them to wear them as they look fire. Lastly, Jordan 11 Low Concord Bread and Sketch. Since we have started seeing a lot of Jordan 1 lows drop here, I feel we will get at least one of these if not both. Either way, like I said, I love low tops currently and hence I would say cop for these as personals. If you want to resell, don't bother unless the bread colorway comes, which might be a decent flip. So that is all. I know this was a pretty long video, but then we had to cover the releases for 2 to 3 months, and since June was kind of a sad month for various reasons, all the releases got pushed to July and August. Anyways, do not forget to like this video and also let me know in the comments about your thoughts on 2 videos a week, and I will see you next Thursday. Until then, peace.